Let's divide 134 by 2. Hey math adventurers, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome math fun. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 134, which is 1. We'll use this lonely 1 for now. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It doesn't, so we write a 0 up top. 0 times 2 is 0, we write that down below the 1. Now we subtract 0 from 1, leaving us with 1. You're doing great, we're just getting started. Now let's bring down the next digit, the 3, to join the 1. Our new number is 13. Look at that, we have 13, ready for the next steps. We bring down the 3 to make 13. This 13 is our new number to work with. How many times does 2 fit into 13? Let's count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, that's 6 times. We write 6 above the 3, now we multiply 6 by our divisor 2, that gives us 12. Let's subtract 12 from 13, what do we get? It's 1. Awesome work, you're a math superstar. We're almost there, let's bring down the last digit 4 to join our remainder of 1. Here we are at the final step, we have 14. We brought down the 4 and now we have 14. This is the last group we're dividing. How many times does 2 go into 14? Think of pairs, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, that's 7 times. We write 7 above the 4, multiply 7 by 2, that equals 14, perfect. Subtract 14 from 14, we have 0 left, hooray, no remainder. You did it, that was fantastic. We've reached the end, we divided 134 by 2 and got 67 with no remainder left. You're a division champion. So 134 divided by 2 equals 67. Great job, everyone. We tackled long division step by step and found out that 134 split into 2 equal groups is 67. Remember, every problem is just a puzzle waiting to be solved. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more math adventures on Let's Stud.